Hi everyone and welcome back to my Forex channel. So in today's video I will show you how you can become a profitable trader by using 80/20 RSI indicator in Forex trading. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Today I will be talking about the relative strength index or the RSI and how I believe it can be best used to profit in Forex market. So talking about a relative strength index, this is one of my favorite indicators that I like use personally in the currency trading. Especially I believe it can be a great tool to identify levels on the chart that could be potentially either oversold or overbought. This indicator can especially be helpful if you're looking for high probability reversal. So our first step is to basically identify our areas of sensitivity. So as you can see, I have already done this one, and my chosen currency pair for today's session is USD JPY on a monthly. So if you will take a look on my monthly horizontal area of support, you will see that we have a multiple touches over the zone. That basically means that any time it touched the zone, it just shot towards the upside. Literally shows that the support zone stands very good for it. And my monthly resistance zone, as you can see, has been respecting a couple of times. Simple as that. Monthly areas of resistance and support, because this is how we analyzing the price action. We have our downtrend line because of price going down with the multiple touches. As you can see, loads of multiple touches in the zone. What it just shows that it's been respecting, just shooting towards the downside at the moment. So we have a very strong monthly downtrend. Alright, so if you were taking a look on a weekly time frame, our weekly sensitivity zone, of course, it's been respecting a couple of times as well. So 3 touches over here, and our weekly sensitivity zone, in this case, this is our weekly support. As you can see, it's been breaking the zones, but at the same time, it also respected and retested our monthly downtrend. And if you also will take a look as well, we have a strong resistance zones because it retested over here, but it just shot towards the downside by popping back again. So if you will take a look more closely, our candlesticks broke our downtrend, but we have a good weekly horizontal area of a resistance. So what it means, so as you can see, sellers stepped into the market very heavily and they're trying to push the price down, as of course we have this powerful monthly downtrend. Of course the buyers try to push the price up, of course break our monthly downtrend, but when the sellers step to the market, of course they and the buyers become very aggressive, because either the sellers or the buyers, they're trying to do their work. They try either to push the price down or they're trying to push the price higher. It broke a little bit of our downtrend, but probably because of the strong pressure from the buyers, we still went down. So if you will taking a look on our daily time frame on USD JPY, as you can see, I have this little downtrend because of these multiple touches in the zone. So because of those multiple touches and this downtrend as well, so as you can see, the candlesticks is going in a kind of squeeze pattern, and they will be as a champagne bottle, they will shoot in any direction. We don't know to which direction it will be. It either way can be towards the upside, or it broke towards the monthly area of a support zone. So we never know, but by analyzing we can definitely guess what possibly or potentially can happen. But now at the moment it's either way. So as you know, we never know what's gonna happen with the market. We don't know what kind of news it will be. Okay, so what we have to do right now is just basically wait for a price action confirmation. But of course, because now it's a daily time frame open, what we have to do is just basically go to a lower time frames and of course try to spot better entry. Alright, so now I have opened for hourly time frame, and let's just basically start this strategy off by actually adding the most important indicator, which is RSI. So all you have to do right now, press on indicators right here and type in RSI. So as you can see, we have the zone over here where it shows in the line chart how the price acted in a certain way. So all we have to do right now is to basically change the settings a little bit. So we will use 80 instead of 70, and we will use 20 instead of 30. Alright, so the 80-20 trading strategy can be used for any period. This can be, as a swing trade, day trade, or a scalping one. As long as it follows the rules, it's a valid trade. So what you have to do right now to enter a trade and make money, you have to search for a zone. In this case, looking into our RSI, because it will tell when we have overbought or oversold. Alright, so for this strategy, you're looking for a zone which is either overbought or oversold. So in this case, what you're looking for is for this white line to either cross your 20 zone or your 80 zone. So as you can see, we have this break through our 20 zone, and our candlesticks is just proving that as well, because if you will take a look, it's definitely the same zone that it showed that it broke with a strong push from the seller side. So all you have to do right now is to wait for the price to head in the direction with either the bullish or bearish engulfing candles, depending on which direction you are trading. And once you make that entry, of course, you will place your stop loss. You want to put your stop loss in reasonable logic zone. You have to look for a prior resistance or support. Alright, so as you can see, I marked that area when it was definitely oversold, and when it means the bias will start buying it. Alright, so as soon as you see the bullish engulfing candle, let's just see how many pips you could possibly make if you would enter a trade over here. So as I mentioned previously, once you make your entry, you have to place your stop loss. You want to put your stop loss in reasonable logic zone. Don't forget to look back and put in the right zone, just in case if the market will decide to turn around. And if you are trading, let's pretend that this is a live trading, and you never know when the market will decide to go in a different direction. So you just want to make sure you will not lose that much money, just in case. So as you can see, if you entered on this bullish engulfing candle with the help of our RSI indicator, you could potentially make 335 pips. The risk to reward ratio is 1.65. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use this trading strategy. All you have to do is just to keep an eye on for a good entry, have your setup by analyzing your price action with the areas of a support and resistance on monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hourly, etc. Let's just take a look for another example. So as you can see, our RSI indicator clearly shows that it broke our 80 zone, and it means that it was overbought. And as you can see, what happened, of course, we still had some pressure from the buyer side, and of course it did respected our weekly resistance zone. So if you kept an eye on the chart, you can potentially enter a trade over here as well, because we have a bearish engulfing candle in this case, and the price started to move downside because of the seller pressure. So if you will take a look how many pips we could possibly make, and once again, don't forget to put your stop loss and your take profit levels in the right zone, just for your own benefit. So if you will take a look, if you enter a trade on the bearish engulfing candle, the risk to reward ratio is 1.15, and you could potentially make a 213 pips in your pocket. So as you can see, this RSI indicator, it just helps you as a tool to enter a trade. It's the same with the moving averages or any other indicators in the Forex market. You still have to do your analyzing on the currency pairs. You still have to have your trend lines, areas of sensitivity. This tool is just basically helps you to have that double confirmation when you can enter the trade and make pips. As you can see in this video, I showed you two examples. Either it was overbought or oversold, how you can make money by having a right setup and being patient. So as I said, RSI could potentially show you the false signal when to enter a trade, but don't dive in straight away and trade. Make sure you have the right structure by having trend lines, areas of sensitivity, and just simply check the charts for the right entry on a lower time frame. So if you enjoyed this video and it was valuable to you, don't forget to smash the like button or leave a comment down below. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I will reply as soon as I can. So thanks once again for watching me, and I will talk to you later. Bye.